Hello everyone, welcome back to PLC Automation. This is Jaffer, and in today's video we are going to test the buttons we have connected to the tags in past video. So today we are briefly testing the tags, if they are working correctly, if they are connected correctly. So let's start to do that. So for example, first of all, I'm going to start the simulator. All right. I will go to OB1. Make it online. This is my tank 1. Okay. In my tank 1, I'm going to manual mode. Manual mode is on. Here, yes, but okay, it's on. It's on, true, when I fill it. So, in filling, the valve is open and the motor is turning. Okay, now I'm going to empty, on, empty motor, empty valve, and in emptying. Alright, so tank 1 is working. We are going back to tank 2. Let's have a look here. Turn on, filling, and 2. Oh, it's a turn off. Okay. The low level. So for tank 2 is not working. Okay, first of all, we are going to have a look to the manual mode. So this is not working, you see. This one, I think there is no connection. Tank 2, properties. Oh, weird. It's normally tank 1. Okay, let's put it 2. Normally it should work. Now, the events. Yeah, the problem was here. So when you are using the event, so we do not use this process tags. Alright, we go back to our it was tank 2, tank 1, it's tank 2. Manual mode is right here. Turn off. Now it's working. You see? Let me make it. You see? It's working. False and true. Right? Okay, I'll turn it on. I'll fill it. In filling, the valve is open and the motor is turning. Alright, so I will stop it filling and I'm emptying it. The emptying also. It works very good. Okay, let's go to our tank 3 on tank 3. Tank 3 is here. Manual mode is already true. The filling is already true, okay. In filling, we stop filling, we empty manually, it works as well. Alright, okay. Tank 4 and also to the FB of tank 4. Tank 4, alright. Yes, it's working. Now we are going to fill it. Alright, it's working. Stop it filling, we empty. It works as well. Oh yeah. So tank 4. By the way, this is the indicator of the pump, empty pump, and the CMD, where it is here. Valve and motor is here. And we go to tank 5, wave 5. Yes, we turn on, we fill. It should be turning this one, and now we are going to stop filling, emptying. Yes, they work all, so okay. And now let me do something here. The low level. Okay. Yes, it's to the next part. Okay, so we have connected our tags successfully, and it's working. It's working very good. And now the very important thing, we have to go to. Let me go offline. It's much better. Recipe. Okay, in the past video we have added this recipe viewer, and today we are going to make it to be able to put some recipes and to our system. And now we go to recipes. I will create a new recipe. I will call it recipe 1. I will doesn't change it. So in recipe 1, what we have to put? Let me check it to be faster. Okay, so in recipe, we have to add percent tank 1, percent tank 2, percent tank 3, percent tank 4, percent tank 5. We just copy and paste it. We also have here the target temperature, right? Also, we also use mixing time. mixing time, and also it should use a total volume. In liter. All right, copy paste. And yes, and also we're gonna use for activate tank 1. We do not have tank 6, so we delete it. Okay, and now we connect the tag. We go to recipe, tank 1, tank 2, three, tank 4, 5, and now the temperature, mixing time, in seconds. So, and total volume, where it is, here. And also we add the tank, so it's tank 1. Let's make a copy of all. Come on. Here. Okay. We just changed the 1 into 2. Let me use this trick. Does it gonna work? No, it doesn't. Okay, no problem. Okay, we have just delete. Okay, delete, and also delete. Tank 3. Tank 5. Okay. We are going to our recipe viewer. We go to properties, and we add a recipe here, recipe 1. All right. Done. We save it, and now we go to our HMI. Okay. For 10 minutes, we go to a recipe. We see it's already here, but we can add some value. For example, let me show you. From tank 1, we use 10%, we use 12, for example, tank 2, and 13, 41, and let's just give some values. Tank 5, the total volume, it should be, we are producing 200 pieces of the recipe. It should be 5 seconds mixing. 5,000, yes. Okay. So now, no, the temperature has to be like 25, and the total volume in liter, we are going to 500 liter. Okay. And now we enable tank 1, tank 2, we just enable all of them. Okay, we load our recipe, just we save it and load it. Loaded completed. Okay, so when we go to our recipe, it should be here, recipe. Yes, we see all of them are through 5 seconds of mixing, and total volume later we are producing 500 liter of the liquid, and from each tank this percentage. So the 500 liter of the liquid or water are a mixture of 5 tanks. So from each tank this percentage will be produced. Okay, we are now 17 minutes. Thank you very much for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe and share this video and like this video and comment on this video. I will catch you back in the next video. So have a great